What's good? We out here, recipe shoot, day one. It's gonna be a movie. It's going viral. Got director Basil right here. Got my assistant Cam, Miles. You know who's behind the lens, Keith. It's gonna be up.
The
oars?
paddle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My only concern is why I want to do it a little bit tighter.
Cut, go back. You come down and stand right in front.
I had to switch the lane, I went down just to get a bag. Oh yeah, you caught me shifting gears, I'm going really fast. I'm in a rush right to the top, I had to hit the gas.
Recipe, it's day 1 of 3. My boy Sheedy out here just flew in from Minnesota. Aliff Rush, very talented artist.
Hey, what's going on, man? Recipe day 1, it's just going up. It's a motherfucking movie, and
it's cold.
it's cold as
My man's Aliff Rush video shoot.
what's going on, man? We out here, got Miles on sound, he going crazy. He going stupid with it.
This looks fire to me. I love this frame right here.
Right here.
102. Something like
Stationary.
Yeah. Hold on.
I had to switch the lane, I went down just to get a bag.
So really, like, you could explore the area a little bit. You can even like pick shit out the ground, like kick shit around, like.
Kind of hide it in the plant, I'd say, just so I don't see the light. Sorry.
Probably
You guys got alcohol, right? I'm serious. Pour a little alcohol on it. I'm being completely serious.
Who got the Henny, bro? Still cook, bro.
Breathe out. Breathe out. There you go.
Happy rap, man. Miles, how you feeling? Fresh news, happy to be here.
Thank you, everybody who came out. You guys were awesome.
Thank you guys.
Really
Appreciate
it.
you.
where's all the shit? The stand back, somewhere there.
Behind the scenes of behind the scenes.
In the scene, man. In the scene.
You get me.
Behind the scene, we in the scene. Come on.
You get
Shoot
me.
ITS. We don't shoot BTS, bro. I gotta change that, bro. I said BTS. It's ITS, nigga. It's in the scene.
Sean Laurent.
There's never no behind the scene. The whole thing is a scene, nigga. We did a whole movie.
Got the recipe. We're gonna be back out here at 5 a.m.